honest to God, that it was so relaxing. And I was shocked the fact that I didn't have no pain through the full procedure. If anything, it's just the injections going in, but within 10 seconds, 5 seconds, that's gone. They're going numb. The procedure was really good. They look brilliant, fantastic, lovely woman, really helpful, really kind. The atmosphere was good, felt comfortable for the full procedure on both top and bottom treatments. So yeah, and as long as you take the painkillers, I had no pain whatsoever after the treatment. A little bit sensitive, but nothing where I was uncomfortable. I slept well and I ate pretty decent. I would say, if anything, eat soft, like pasta, chicken or fish, just for them 2 or 3 days, and that was it, it was perfect. I was here for a week, so it was a 3-day procedure. I had to go back and forth a few times just for a check. Like you say, I'd say 3 days is the main procedures throughout the full week. Other than that, I was just relaxing. Oh, 100%, yes, without a doubt, and I'll be getting a few friends to come as well also. Like you say, it's the aftermath of it is fantastic. I can't stop smiling, you know, so good results, couldn't be more than happy. And yeah, I can't wait to show my friends and family. Thank you.